aha Kama Studios Ghana National Service Authority abusuya root dela ono na general director odano Sabri was decided to just a porter for the national service na abusuya Sabri open for 120,000 personnel so omuntimi apply.
The online registration starts from tomorrow.
Mwamudi can apply on the June abusuya. Your money are going to be refunded back to you guys.
Right after registration, you're very refunding musika dada na buchai. You're very refunding in the amount.
Until almost someone say you guys will go on their portal, that is www.gnsa.gov.gh. Then mutimi ko apply. Now we will be so I want me apply a cafe. We will be also offer we introvert to person tenefi now apply. Kindly DM us, check your amount. Now we're going to play their full video. Make sure to follow this page for more updates on your educational and your training news that is going on online. Now this is what they said about the national service posting. Almost say Sabri, there's no special posting this year.
Once again, national service doesn't operate a third-party portal that will charge people for special posting. No, nobody charges for special postings. Nobody takes money to give you any there is nothing even called special postings.
I feel so mamo bin kos cameo na ebe starting on the 8th of October na I so ending on 15th of October, so from Wednesday to the next week Wednesday and omobetimi abi portal not to na moye I so by November 3rd no na obubibia hu babia ere na to ye nti don't go to someone for a special post see BNC I so other site that mo say you guys will come for a lot of things no adokodoko die bi no manuma bi no almost stay away from it. Sabri yokobo abra na omode ensemu to dwa concerning the portal being opened for 120,000 personnel to apply for the Ghana National Service.
Yes, sir. Obi biara or register a June say we need about 12,000 or register a be a power chop. The best time I'm working for no mass register you. Now meaning says I will register will be near the generation or a much yakakra. And see the brain now one percent yes and the job was coming my power chop. More than now register na muches and my name right after registration you're very refunding musika dada na muchai you're very refunding in the amount. And see this is to be registration optional portal no optional from 8th to 15th optional Wednesday to next week Wednesday 15th October. Now from 16th to 23rd you're best starting your postings and see you're starting your postings now. By 1st November, yes, you say, baby, all call. Every one of you, baby, all call. Now, 3rd November, yes, me, I call your various places, and as a white poster, now, I have started, I have share a Juma assay. And say, and on 3rd November, we expect every personnel, and I say, and I share you say, personnel, they are bedding, ever call the posting site. Now, I was share a Juma assay. And say, and I'm saying, I two just say, yeah, Baba, yeah, press conference, they share media for pen and perform the power for you. And start a day website, be anything where it's fake and fraudulent. And to make a much so who park or share, who corner park or share website, I am Papa now, I am national service for your website, Mr. Google GNG for Ghana, N for national, S for service, A for authority, gnsa.gov.gh. Messia Bosubio, gnsa.gov.gh. Mepacho, any other website apart from gnsa.gov.gh, and your papa. Your chrono, and I said, fraud, I can't say what you know. And you're not a papa, a fraudulent, and to say, who put no, yet, no, link now, but just got the pouch, and no, yet to be refunded. And the Obia gnsa.gov.gh. Now, here starts your registration from Ochina all the way to the 15th of October. Now, 16th, the best start here processes, and then by 3rd November, we expect everybody to be at schools. And that wants to be free. Okay. Okay. nneɛma no bia yɛde ato akwan mu ɛne sɛ yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bebree wɔ hɔ a young people wɔakɔ school wɔakɔ university wɔbɛwie no sɛbe kwan a wɔbɛfa so koraa kyerɛ no CV koraa wɔnim basic excel koraa no ɔnyɛ de ɔnim yɛ ɛnti no one of the nneɛma a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ɛde boa yɛ personnel is to make them ready for the job market. And yeah, you're ready for the job market. There will be a strong technology, and then AI wants some technology wants some. Quite on the first one, and then you do continue to remember. Even if when you are soon on your demand, your crack, and some training now at the amount in AI and technology and its related field. I bet to me, I saw. I bet to me, I'm going to me, I start to be on your own and start doing something for yourself. And when you know, your president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the vision and the Niswajuno, and being say, yeah, they call a national service personnel, and they come basic military training, basic military training, also, I will Ashanti region, oh baby, yeah, giants, 8 day. No GDSS and Kaya personnel be and Kaya mom was a rapid response in TTA and they are nearly be tampering with the evidence and all those things in Kenya that you can see. So it's very important that we do that for them as well. And see, I don't know and check right, we subject them to 6 weeks training, military basic training. But they are no specific dates no matter and the Bible it's in collaboration with the Ghana Army. All right. So, Emma, Ghana for Sika, everybody need to be go to school. You know, president, I can't say system now in place. I walk Emma, Sabi, when you run some airports, young free one, now you're fat, be frat. A more thing I ever to me, I ensure say, but people so deep on the cry, and to me, and they Emma, the point Emma, and saying, your minister, I honorable Judge Pariano. Extra headed by a board through the board chairman say yeah setting up a transition committee and start transitioning from old system to the new system. Many just say make I say yamia do to me aye na yet me aye ntino ya hye date yanyina yanim say emra na was say personal omoyo national service etwem kakra because of institution one na ye dey cost enti me can say your new dates aba registration any posting any da I was say obi biara when we school broni beka so you eligible and I say owo hu kwan e wo mra kwan so say obe national service personnel I was say sada no or reporting e wo the post sa date and I made it and the mama and the 8th to 15th October for registration and the portal for 1 week said I was on register, or met me and register. The message I come on say, and maybe June this year, June, ye my own system, Nanaka, year registration. Name Mogono, a say, when you say, no, we are ghost names. As I can tell it, no more money, quite anything, as I'm going Emma over 2,000 names any details are young woman NSS say even more date of birth I will provide a prior 2021 say you say your mistake na nipa no almost uploading and now say ebia ghost names are yet to be checked but of course inconsistent which means that there's still a problem now new system in a way so who drop now upload and say it is 2021 it won't even permit you to go through the process at all.
Nation faces complex challenges, but I have seen our future and it is a bright one. It is in the eyes of our young service personnel, our young cherished Ghanaians, teaching, building, farming, creating, doing and innovating. The time for talking is over. The era of action begins now. Our new covenant is this: we will provide the platform, we will clear the path, and we call upon every citizen, young and old, from every background and walks of life, to join us achieve this great feat. This is more than a job for me. This is my call to serve my nation just as much as you. National service will not just be a year of obligation, it will be a year of opportunities and growth. We are resetting Ghana, we are resetting national service. A new chapter begins now. Thank you for your attention and your attendance. Thank you very much. Physically present at their assigned institutions. No proxies, no false claims, just honest service, honestly recorded. The payroll is automatically generated from verified and appraised personnel data, ensuring that eligible and validated personnel are paid. The system checks, cross-checks, and confirms before processing allowances. Personnel stay connected through the NSS Connect mobile app, receiving real-time notifications and official announcements directly on their phones. Important updates arrive instantly wherever they find themselves. And because transparency demands accountability, we record everything, every activity, every click, every action on the system. A complete audit trail that protects everyone and ensures consistency, transparency, and trust. In addition to these improvements, the scheme's buddy system, powered by AI, provides intelligent career support beyond your service year through the three main capabilities. It offers real-time scholarship matching by automatically scanning thousands of local and international opportunities and matching them to individuals based on their academic performance, artistic talents, sports ability, and specific skill sets, helping you discover master's programs, sports scholarships abroad, and leadership fellowship that fits your qualification. For aspiring entrepreneurs, the system connects you with the experienced mentors matched according to your industry, interests, and business goals, while actively searching for and recommending entrepreneurship training programs, workshops, and development opportunities to build your business skills and turn ideas into a reality. We are also connecting personnel to career opportunities. Our intelligence job matching system continuously scans both local and international vacancies online, matching them to users based on their area of interest, skills, and experience. Whether you're looking for your first role or exploring opportunities abroad, the platform brings relevant opportunities directly to you. Additionally, our conversational AI assistant, accessible via web and WhatsApp, provides instant support for all queries. This new system builds on what already works and moves the entire process forward. National service remains a year of duty and growth, now supported by stronger digital systems that serve both personnel and institutions better. Duration of online registration exercise. And I would like everybody to please pay attention.